How to add a Commonwealth Bank card to Apple Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to add or use the Apple Pay or Apple Wallet for the Commonwealth Bank card, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to the app on your mobile device or the website and log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in, on the app's homepage, you will see the Cards tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Likewise, you can tap on the Cards tab from the website as well. Now that you have the list of your Commonwealth Bank cards, choose the card that you would like to add up to the Apple Wallet. Once you have done so, Add to App Wallet option will be displayed for the selected card. You will have to review your card number and tap on the Next button. Wait while the system processes and sets up your card for Apple Pay. Make sure to read the terms and conditions properly before accepting it. After that is done, you can choose a verification method, which could be via text message. Once you have entered the verification code sent to your phone to complete the process, everything will be done. Now your card will be added to Apple Wallet and is ready to use. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.